Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Peanut here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. I ordered a couple of things from Stylevana, and it was mostly because I had a couple of sort of holy grail things that I wanted to sort of get, and then I just ended up ordering a couple more things because why not? And obviously with Stylevana, it does take a little bit of time for the order to actually be received, because I think it comes from Hong Kong or from China. So I'm just gonna run through what I bought and I'll explain what each thing is as well. So as you can see, there's quite a few things in here. So the first thing I got is this here. And this is ISEHAN Kiss Me Mommy UV Aqua Milk. SPF 50 plus. That's 4 pluses, yes. So this looks like it's a sunscreen for kids, and I think it possibly might be because there's a picture of a child on there. So I'll just read out a bit of information that I've got about this product. So it says that it's a kid-friendly sunscreen. It's made from 80% food ingredients, including extracts from aloe, strawberry and ecrola, as well as jojoba oil, ceramide, collagen and hyaluronic acid. It's free from colouring, fragrances, preservative, mineral oils and alcohol. And it's a mild acidic formula suitable for sensitive skin, and also waterproof. So that definitely looks great and I'm really excited to try this. You know, I have a bit of a sunscreen addiction. I've got so many, and yeah, I really need to get on with the reviews that I've got coming. So they will be coming soon, and this is another one that I will add to that review. Okay, so the next thing I got was some hand creams. So I got 2 of these, and these are hand creams from Shiseido, and my husband and I grabbed one of these when we were out traveling in Japan, and it has literally been so amazing. It's such a great hand cream, and we use it quite sparingly as well, so we don't really use it all the time, but we just really love this. It's such a nice moisturizer. It's got these little flecks in there as well, which I'm not sure what they exactly are, but it's a very good hand cream. So the official name for this is the Shiseido Medicated hand cream, and the description is that it's a water-based hand cream enriched with potent medicinal ingredients and moisturizers to stave off dry skin and painful cracks brought about by extreme weather conditions. And honestly, we really love this, so I grabbed 2 of those. So the next thing I picked up is my Holy Grail serum, and that is the PURITO Centella Unscented serum. So this is the reason why I placed my order, literally just to get this. And I picked up 2 of those because I use them every single day, and this is my favorite serum ever. I absolutely love this. I think it's excellent for sensitive skin types. It's got niacinamide in it. It's got Centella asiatica, which is also really great for soothing sensitive skin. It's got some ceramides in there and peptides in there too, which are really great for anti-aging. It's free of fragrances, and this, I honestly really genuinely believe that this really helps keep blemishes away from my skin. Ever since I've stopped using it, which has been about, I'd probably say about 4 or 5 months, if not longer, because I just ran out and just haven't had the time to put an order in. I've had so many blemishes. You can't really see them right now. Maybe you can, I'm not sure. But loads of spots that just keep sort of popping up, and I'm pretty sure it's because I've stopped using this. I really do love this. I have done a full review of this, so I'll pop that up somewhere here or here, so check that out if you're interested. But yeah, got 2 of those. So I also got some cleansers. The first one that I got was this one here by Jung. And this one has looked really interesting to me for a while. I've tried one of their moisturizers before. It came in a little tub, and that was really amazing. And this brand is also aimed at people with sensitive skin, or just really, you know, skincare free of fragrances and unnecessary ingredients. So I really like the ethos of this brand. So this one says 5.5 foam cleanser on the front of it, and that is because that's the pH of the formula, and it's supposed to soothe and protect the skin, keeping it supple and free from tightness. So I am very excited to try this. I'm using my CeraVe one at the moment, but I'll probably try this one once that one's finished. The second cleanser that I got is this one here, and it's the Hada Labo one. Rohto Mentholatum Hada Labo Gokujyun Super Hyaluronic Acid Face Wash. And this is my absolute favorite facial cleanser slash face wash. I tried this when I was out traveling. I think I initially got one from Vietnam or somewhere like that, and then I finished the whole thing and then bought another one when I was in Japan. This actual product lasted me about 1.5 years, because you literally only need the tiniest amount. It is so concentrated that you use a tiny amount. It foams up beautifully. It makes your skin completely clear of makeup, dirt, oils that are still on the skin, without any sort of tightness. It just looks visibly like clearer and clean, and with that amazing sort of like hydration and softness in the skin, and that is because it's pumped full of hyaluronic acid and different hydrating ingredients. So this one is my absolute favorite. You know, maybe I should do like a holy grails video, because I've got a couple of things that I just swear by. If that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, then drop a comment down below and I'll see if I can do a video for that if you're interested. Okay, so the next things I got are these two here, and these are the Corks Centella Water alcohol-free toners. And it's not really a toner in the normal sense of what you would expect a toner to be, you know, something that you possibly apply to a cotton pad or just in your hands and just sort of pat in before your skincare. This is more of a hydrating spritz, should I say, and that is why I love this so much. It's got Centella asiatica in there, which is a soothing ingredient for your skin, and I really find that this is such a great thing to spritz over your face before you go in with your moisturizers or lotions or, you know, serums and all of that fun stuff. So by basically applying, you know, like a water-based spritz on your face before applying your hyaluronic acid products, it really just helps hold the moisture on the skin, and it slows down that process of transepidermal water loss, which is something that occurs naturally in the skin, which is basically just moisture leaving the skin. So by applying you know, like water or this kind of product on the skin first before your serums, etc., it really helps hold that moisture on, and this product I absolutely love for that. So this product, it is Centella asiatica extract enriched toner. It's also made with its leaf water and other organic ingredients to promote healthy skin while helping deal with blemishes and breakouts. It's alcohol-free, which ensures it's gentle on skin while maintaining a pH balance to keep skin hydrated without becoming too oily. So it has a really minimal list of ingredients in there. The first one is water, obviously, and then it's got a couple of hydrating ingredients in there, including the sodium hyaluronic and like panthenol and things like that. So it's a really great product, another really great one for sensitive skin types, so it's definitely worth it. So I grabbed 2 of those. Yay! Okay, so we have another sunscreen in here, which is one of my favorite sunscreens, which is the Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel Gold. I've done a video about this sunscreen. It's one of my absolute favorites. The only downside of this one is it contains ethanol, which is a type of alcohol, and it's not the greatest if you have broken skin, you know, like cuts or acne, where, you know, it can sort of penetrate the skin. It's not really good for that, but generally it's okay, and I really love this. And I love this because it applies so nicely on the skin. It's not greasy whatsoever, so I find that my makeup sits really well on top of this, and I always wear this before putting any makeup on because it just leaves a really nice base. I did do a video for this, so I'll pop that up here or up there. And I also picked up a different one from Skin Aqua as well, and this one is the UV Super Moisture Gel. So they're both super moisture gels. This one's just gold and this one's just regular, I guess. I don't really know what the difference is, but this one had a pump as well, so I thought, let me just try it. So I will let you know my thoughts on this one once I've had a really good try of it. Okay, so we're down to the last 2 things. So the next one is this here, which is the Hyaluronic Acid watery sun gel. A lot of people rave about this particular sunscreen, saying that it's, you know, really nice to wear on your skin, not greasy, not oily, anything like that, and really hydrating, which I would expect it to be because it's got 8 types of hyaluronic acid in here. So from what I can see, this is a chemical sunscreen. It says no white cast on there, but it wouldn't have a white cast if it was a chemical sunscreen. You only get white casts with mineral sunscreens. But yeah, this is an SPF 50 as well, with 4 pluses, which is great because it helps to protect skin against UVA and UVB, which is what you want. So the description of this is, it keeps harmful UV rays at bay with this watery sun gel that contains 8 types of hyaluronic acid in different molecular weights to replenish moisture. So it also contains ceramides and Centella asiatica, which is obviously great for sensitive skin types, and it's good for sort of strengthening the skin barrier. So that's definitely great. And as far as I'm aware, this is also fragrance free. I hope it is. So I'm not sure that this is fragrance free. I think it's got some fruit extracts in there, but I will definitely be trying that, and it will also let you know my opinion on that. Okay, so last but not least, we have this product, which is a super mild sun essence by Scenic, or Cynic, that's how you pronounce it. Cynic Enjoy Super Mild Sun Essence. So this is also one of those products that I keep seeing pop up on Yesstyle and other websites. It's supposed to be a physical sunscreen, so a mineral sunscreen. Again, it's SPF 50 with the 4 pluses. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. And the description says it's a sunscreen with physical filters, provides broad spectrum SPF 50 protection, and is infused with 60% hydrating essence to replenish skin, as well as 7 plant-based extracts to soothe irritation and cool skin temperature by 3.55 degrees. Okay, so I'm not sure what that means, but I will definitely be sharing with you guys my thoughts on this one as well. As you can tell, I'm a bit obsessed with sunscreens. How many did I buy here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I bought 5 sunscreens. It's a little bit excessive, but I do like to try new ones. Because then I can just give my opinion to you guys, and then you guys know which ones to get and which ones not to waste your money on. So yeah, I'm doing it for you, not for me, because I'm selfless. Okay, so that is it. We are empty. That's the things that I got. Let me know what you're interested in, what you want reviews on. Leave comments down for me below. I'll link all these products down for you guys as well if you're interested in any of them. Let me know if you want me to do like a holy grail product video to let you guys know what my favorite products are, what the ones that I think are worth buying, and if you're interested in that, I'll do a video for you guys. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you for the next one. See ya.